From these sprawling farmlands, we begin the intricate process of rearing our Regal Azure peacocks.
मेडिसिन के ड्रेसर का देखता এটা আপনি যদি টেপ পাশে দেখতে রেখে और सबसे बदले में हो सके उन तक जो हर सब में ये मिल
Health anomaly detected. Veterinary alert initiated.
Respiration is clear. Let's get the blood sample from the ulnar vein.
Holding steady.
Good flow.
Zone 3 enclosure. Pathogen levels rising past threshold.
Activating localized filtration sequence immediately. Status returning to green.
Position confirmed. Check the forward straps.
All green. Bay temperature steady at 20 degrees Celsius.
Temperature spiking in Cargo Bay 3. We have a deviation.
Acknowledged. Initiating cooling sequence and rerouting ETA.
Verified. Incoming cargo. Access granted.
Laser scan complete. Integrity verified.
It verified the Azure feathers.
Good, let's move it to the next stage.
As the Azure Plume Collection departs, every shipment is equipped with advanced GPS and environmental sensors.
These brochures that emphasize the ethical sourcing as requested.
The texture feels very premium.
Perfect. Okay, tilt that softbox just a little lower. We need the light to really catch the iridescence right here.
How does that look? The commitment to animal welfare really shines through here.
Yes, positioning Azure Plume as luxury with a conscience is exactly right for this market.
The AI is prioritizing the transatlantic routes for the Azure Plume sets.
What about the environmental impact score for the African? We should emphasize the sustainable materials on the card here.
Good idea. And the tube design keeps the plumes secure for shipping.
Accent pluming forecast is spiking. We need to prioritize shipment 4B.
Already routed. The AI optimized the pallet locations an hour ago.
The Regal Azure plumes really pop in the tutorial.
They look amazing. The integration across platforms is complete. We are good to launch.
Absolutely. The tutorial on the accent plume page demonstrates the best way to arrange the feathers. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Hi, Julix. The Azure Plume Collection is positioned for rapid growth. With our Q4 promotional support and these merchandise strategies,
The sustainable sourcing for the Azure plumes is clearly documented here.
Yes, the naturally shed collection process is very transparent.
The simulation shows this textile pattern is feasible.
Yes, this could revolutionize the accent plume line.